If your hot water is running out faster than it used to, that's a sign you shouldn't ignore. When a water heater suddenly can't keep up, it usually means sediment buildup, a failing heating element, or the unit is starting to wear out. It might still work for now, but the problem usually gets worse over time. In some cases, the thermostat on the unit could be going bad, or on gas water heaters, dirty burners can keep the system from heating water properly. If your showers are getting cold way too fast, it's a good time to have Wheelhouse Plumbing, Heating, and Cooling take a look before you're stuck with no hot water at all.